Hey, welcome to a new video about logging in Shopware 6 in combination with dockware. Logging is one of the most important things that you have to do when creating Shopware shops, plugins, or software in general. Good logging shows you what is going on in your software and also what must not happen at all. But the problem in the administration is the only place you see logs is settings, system, event logs. And all these logs are the ones being stored in the database. So if you're really going for extended logging with lots of data, storing such a thing in a database is probably something you really do not want to do. And therefore we've installed Pimp My Logs in dockware images. So Pimp My Logs is a web application that gives you easy access to see logs that are based on files. Let's see how it looks like. You can open the application by just using /logs in your browser. You should already see some logs, and if you want to filter those, there's a drop-down where you get access to Shopware logs, dev prod, FPM error logs, Apache logs, and more. The view itself is already prepared to have columns for severity, data, messages. You can search or automatically refresh the view every X seconds. Alright, so now to your plugin, what to do. You can create your custom logger based on the PSR logger interface. You can then extend it with useful processors and other stuff, and then use probably the rotating file handler where you log into a directory. The directory is probably var log where Shopware is located and a specific pattern for your log file. And then simply use it. So we have the Molly payment provider plugin in here. So whenever we create a new payment, a new checkout, we create a new info log. But how do we learn Pimp My Logs to watch our file? So we go to our Docker Compose, and in the shop, we add a new configuration to the folder Pimp My Log config user D. This is a JSON configuration, so that one's prepared on our documentation page, and it has a certain pattern for our custom log file as well as a title so that we can select it in Pimp My Logs. So let's create some new log entries by simply starting a checkout and starting a payment process. We're creating a new order using our Molly payment method and then head over to our Pimp My Logs web application. And now we have a new value, a filter value, Molly logs in our dropdown. And as soon as we select that one, we get immediate access to all logs that are in those files. So this is an easy and great approach to get the best out of your logs. And I really highly encourage you to do that. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Thanks for using dockware.